Hi everyone, this is Dr. Medicine RX, and in today's video we'll be discussing about a very simple yet a very important topic, that is the layers of epidermis. As we all know, the layers of epidermis from below upwards are stratum basal, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum and stratum corneum. Of course, there's another layer, the stratum lucidum, about which we'll be discussing at the end. First, let's come to stratum basal, the most important layer of the epidermis. It is the basalmost layer, and it is present in a single layer, and it is the closest to the epidermis. The cells of this layer are sources of stem cells and dividing keratinocytes. The cells are columnar and are very tightly attached to each other and have an elongated nucleus. They contain tonofibrils, which are keratin precursors, and they are connected to the basement membrane via hemidesmosomes. Next up is the stratum spinosum. The cells in this layer are present in 5 to 10 layers and are polygonal, have elongated nucleus, and are connected to each other via desmosomes. These desmosomes have a prickly appearance, hence the other name of this layer, which is the prickle cell layer. The desmosomes are connected to the tonofilaments, which are present in the cytoplasm, and they act as intercellular junctions, which also help in transport and also in adhering the adjacent cells. The cement substance which is present in between these cells are the glycosaminoglycans. Next up is the stratum granulosum. The cells in granulosum are present in 3 layers. They are diamond shaped and contain dark purple granules known as the keratohyalin granules. The keratohyalin granules contain an important protein, which is filaggrin. Filaggrin aggregates the keratin filaments, which are synthesized in the spinous layer, and they also contain other type of granules called as the membrane coating granules, also known as the Odlin bodies. These bodies contain lipids, which forms an important constituent of the permeability barrier of stratum corneum. One other thing we have to remember here is that the nucleus starts to disappear at about the upper layers of stratum spinosum or the lower layers of stratum granulosum. And stratum granulosum along with stratum spinosum is also called as the stratum malpighi or the Malpighian layer. Next up, we have the uppermost layer, that is the stratum corneum. The cells are flat, polyhedral, and are fully keratinized. They are practically dead and they are anucleated. And on HPE, it appears as a pink layer, giving a characteristic basket weave pattern. And the stratum lucidum, which is the translucent layer of epidermis, it is seen only in palms and soles and lies beneath the stratum corneum.